Hello, we are back to another video. Today is the last day of
Last day?
of the month.
Okay. I, you are scaring me.
Mm,
I thought I missed something. It's like the end of the world or something. It's the last
the
day.
first ball.
Lucky thing, Benjamin.
Mm. Now
Okay, you start with the disclaimer.
we are not a registered investment or broker dealer. All opinions expressed here are from personal research and are intended as educational material. Although best efforts are made to ensure that all information is accurate and up to date, occasionally unintended errors may occur.
Yep. And the verse of today, John, is not John again.
John.
He's John. Okay.
Oh, it is John.
Yeah.
You go ahead.
Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. John 14, verse 27. Well, let us have the peace and we wait for our trade later. Don't get too hasty.
Accurate, yes.
Yeah, Meta seems to be having some news. I'll put it on my list of notice. Well, may not turn into the night chart today because it seems to bring some confusion.
I
Anything to add? You what? Well, my partner's having a down day today. He ate some poison mushrooms.
wow.
Yeah, purple color.
What? What
You,
mushroom
you,
is
you
that?
know someone in Singapore plucked a purple color mushrooms, and
Yes,
he actually
then.
thought it to be edible. Purple.
Purple.
Yes, and he thought it to be edible. From my knowledge, I think if I were to pluck any colorful mushroom, I will not think it as edible, right?
It's the power stone.
Yeah, he actually ate it, and well, I will know what happened. We got 30 more seconds. Well, today we will still be going slow, looking at how Tesla react. Meanwhile, looking at others symbols for possible entries. Meta may have a very good entry. We shall see. Meta. How do I read that?
Matter.
Meta. Can I just say Facebook?
Matter.
Okay, Meta. I say Mata right just now. Yeah.
Matter.
Okay, it was
Matter.
wrong. I may
It's
check
the
out
Meta.
AMD later, but it will depends.
Why change name?
They thought changing name will make them better. Can I try a one and done at the
No.
Pervit? Okay, which is here. Okay, buy here and
No.
you lose money. Oh no. See, that's what happened when you press a one and done. Actually the blue line is the 200 moving average. So it should be quite nice. Well, Meta increased 5% today. What is the news? Let me take a look. What's the news on Meta?
They removed Facebook.
Huh? No joke. Really? They removed Facebook.
It will work, probably.
What? No such news. Strange. Need to hear. Is there any news? No. No news. There is news, but I couldn't get it because I can't have the time to check. But let's see. Okay, we have Netflix. Netflix still going well. Meta, not that. Going slow today. We should be focusing on the green tax rate.
I don't know.
So we should have the next 2 to 4 minutes having nothing to do. Let's talk about something else as usual.
I don't know what to talk.
Talk about life.
You have
Life
no life.
is like a box of chocolate.
When you eat, no matter which,
No matter what you eat, it is chocolate.
no, it's strawberry.
It's a box of chocolate. How can you
It's
get strawberry
strawberry.
there?
It's strawberry.
But it is a box of chocolate. Snow.
Chocolate strawberries.
Can you help me type snow? Snow, not no. Ha ha ha. W. Thank you. Okay, snow seems nice. Okay, possible snow 2 minutes. Oh, possible. Meta is not it's not my favorite. I don't know why it went up. So can we change to Mondana? mRNA. Oh no, you disclose yourself. It's an N. mRNA.
The average.
Yeah. Yes. Wow. Okay. That's interesting in just 1 minute. You need to build up your spirit.
You were never there for 1 hour.
Huh? What do you mean? For 1 hour? We can try. Mondana and NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA has a nice shot, but you need to pass through the 200. We have a gap down at the. We have a gap down. Okay, going for NVIDIA in the long run actually. NVIDIA had a entry at the, let me see, 152.9 actually. Okay, exiting here. Yup. Thank you. It's a quick trade because there's a gap through pushing through for the market one. But I still don't like NVIDIA in the long run. Let's see how it goes. Snow as well. Not going very good. Meta as well. So next week is still the one going strong. May try later to see how it goes. You want to join me?
I do not know math.
Then let's talk about math. What do you know about math actually?
Everything and nothing.
Do you know math is the only thing supposedly in science? Math is the only thing that is absolute. Yeah. Like math supposed to be absolute. That's why science, any science theory, need to be confirmed by math before it's
But we're
confirmed.
assuming that math is absolute. And if it isn't, everything will go wrong.
True. That's true. But 1 + 1 is absolute.
It isn't. Well, if it isn't, then all our calculation gone in 1 second.
No, scientifically, right, when you say something as it isn't, right, you need to have a support. You see? Yeah.
But if I ask you a whole number between
Next week. Between
9 and 10, like,
and
can you say it?
9 and 10.
A whole number between 9 and 10.
There's no.
Exactly. But what if there was? Then the problem.
But in theory, there isn't, right?
In theory, it's because our number, that's what we had learned.
And
You
what
never
you're
know.
trying to say, I heard about this thing before, but there is a dispute on this.
Like if we never learned 9 before, then we wouldn't think there's something between 8 and 10.
True in your presumption. Okay, I should have wait longer actually, but because I'm discussing with I should have wait longer, but it's okay. It's a good one anyway. Yep. It's a good trade. This is a good entry. I got good price and it's a good entry and a good exit. Nice next week. Because I'm actually talking to my partner here on math, so I actually exit early, which is a good exit. You see, it fell down.
I can teach you math.
I'm still waiting for you to teach me math.
No, you're not.
Yeah, you can teach me, but I'm very bad at additional math, like dy, dx,
Then you have to learn
sine,
math
cosine. That's even worse.
What?
Why don't you teach me science,
Why
like
science?
chemistry and physics, where
No.
where you're not
Physics
that good
is
at?
math, especially math.
Really?
Yeah. And they all science is math.
Nice gap up for next week. Next week going strong. That's a good boy next week.
Science is just math.
Oh, imagine holding that to the upper side. But language is nice.
What?
Language is nice.
No, it isn't.
Chinese history is nice.
History.
Yeah. The Bible story is interesting as well. Like I just know today, right, that the entire Arabic, how you say the word Arabic people is called what? Arabian.
Yeah.
Okay, Arabian, yeah. The Arabian race is actually should be, pardon me guys if I'm wrong, so don't throw me, okay? Should be the first son of Abraham. Yeah, which his name is I can't pronounce that name. Yeah. Then he came down to the entire tribe and become the Arabian, whereby Isaac, the other son, inherit Israel. Yeah. So actually Muhammad, which is a direct descendants from the line of Abraham, the first son of Abraham. They are brothers actually. They are cousins in a way. They are highly related, the Jews and the Arabs. Surprise to me. It's a big surprise.
Yes, they don't really.
Yet they fight each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. They really fight each other. Oh, that's
Saudi Arabia's down there.
yeah. I think a lot of maybe some of our Middle East friends is going to unfollow us. But that's what I read last night.
It's not Middle East.
It is
It's
Middle East.
Mediterranean.
Mediterranean. Okay. But that's what I read. So it's interesting story. It's not something that I read during my younger age, but when I read it last night, it was interesting. Especially he made Abraham having another son when his wife is 90 years old. That's interesting, right? And I find something even more funny. You come, I tell you something. This part is very funny. Like this story, Abraham and his wife, 90 years old wife, 90 years old,
Yeah.
go to Egypt.
Yeah.
And because God restored his wife youth, so his wife become very pretty, obviously, at 90 years old. So Abraham lied to the Egyptian and say that his wife is his sister. He lied.
Yeah.
He lied. Abraham lied. So the Pharaoh, or someone of high official, actually liked his wife and take him into his court to be his, concubine or something. Yeah. Then God punished that Pharaoh. I was like, huh? But Abraham is the one who lied. Right? Have you thought about that?
Yeah.
But there's a story behind that. But it's just interesting. Okay, we have we pass it actually. We passed the Nvidia short. This is a nice market one. Actually, West Sahara is beautiful.
They just changed the picture. Did they take another land?
But it is pretty, West Sahara. Wow.
Did they just take another land, or did they? What is this?
What, it's not a real one?
No, I think they changed their picture, so perhaps they got another piece of land.
Wow. Why? It looks nice.
And if we zoom in, we got a wall on many
You
fronts
sure?
right here. We got two fronts.
It looks
over
like a tourist attraction.
here. Yeah, but look at this. We got two lines. You know.
Why they look so nice?
Western Sahara.
Okay, we have market 1 as well as green text rate over here in 10 more seconds, provided it doesn't go up now. Okay, waiting 2 more seconds. Okay, here we go, 42 and 209. Let's see whether it hit. I will actually no, it's going to hit. I would like it if it can go up and touch the limit 8 actually. It will be a more interesting trade for me, but we shall see. Okay. Entering into the trade. Need to pass through 208 and 242, 246. Okay, passing through 246 and I exit here. Thank you guys. That's a nice exit. But R2 is actually my target for a normal day, which is yeah, this is a good one. Yes. Yeah, R2 is actually my target. But I'm taking cautious move these few days, mainly due to Tesla, and I'm still familiar with a new Tesla setup because it just have a 3-to-1 speed, and next speed hasn't been what my usual thing is, but it is a good exit anyway. We have it at 230 calls for $5.60, and we exit at about $6.10, which is a 50 cent per contract, which is good. Because this is a double trigger, the 1 minute market 1 as well as the 2 minute green text rate. Let's see what is available for us. Okay, not much, and we actually have a good assistance from QQQ here. Yep. Well, there is another trigger for some people who can venture enough. If we venture again, passing the green text rate 32.42 for less street, there is a favorable chart, a trade, but I'm not taking it because I was hoping for it to touch the 1 minute 8 and also the 2 minute 8.
Makes sense.
Yeah, this one makes sense. This photo makes sense. Right. What is this? Wow. Someone actually is there taking the photo himself. Can you move forward?
No.
Oh.
It's Western Sahara and there's no way.
Okay, we have market one here at 32.42. It's too fast for me. I can't enter. It's trigger. It trigger. I can't enter. But it's trigger. I'm still hoping for another 2-minute rate actually. I'm more favorable for a 2-minute trade instead of the 1 minute. Just now we actually go inside the 1 minute trade is because we have a 2-minute setup, which I'm looking for it to pass the 323.09 here. After that followed by the 2 minute 232.47. So it's a double trigger and it went all the way up to 233.4. Wonderful. Oh, that's a Riddick. Is that a Riddick?
What?
This place.
Western Sahara.
Yeah, but it looks like a Riddick area. Wow. What? That's so strange. Why would someone live there alone? I grant you that land. Okay, Tesla has a V movement. If the V movement is strong, it may be able to push through because we also encounter a big V movement for the QQQ actually.
We're in a stall.
Interesting. What is this? Oh, food? Oh yeah, I like this food. There is a store here. There is a city here. I thought you said they are at war.
Yeah, doesn't mean they can't have a city.
This is actually it's not even an oasis. Quite hard to leave that place out. Okay, next fleet. Trying to push through for the R2. I'm not trading here once again. We are done with the trade. There's no more setup yet. And I'm not taking any Tesla setup. So the possible trade, let me go back to snow if there is. No, snow is ugly. AMD, uglier. Well, let me stick with just stick on NVIDIA. Yeah. Let me just stick with Netflix and Tesla then at the moment. Oh, where is this car? Let me take a look. I need to let you take over one of these days. You have been lazy recently, partners?
That's not true.
What happened to you? Where's the morale of where's the fire inside you?
We spent 1,350 gems to restore the morale of the troops. Support the game.
Support the game. Please get support from TC2000. You haven't been advertising recently. I miss your advertising. Do you know that? Yeah, I miss your advertising.
I miss a lot of things.
What do you miss? Just tell me. Oh, do you know Uncle Roger just got one of his video banned? Not say banned, restricted.
Why?
Because I think he commented on the Food Network. And the Food Network is actually what you say, copyright? Food Network is copyright, is it? I'm not so sure, but it actually got restricted. Hmm. He's actually trying to say that, oh, look, come. The Keith mapping just released a new thing.
Keith,
Yeah,
my man, Zimbabwe.
alternate future for your world. $10? What does it mean? Anyway,
Oh, you have to wait.
my partner here is a fan of the. Oh, you mean you need to pay?
Yeah. So it'll
What?
be out after a while.
Why you need to pay?
The bigger one is not out yet.
Oh, you actually need to pay.
It has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Maybe a few more, and then you can make another one.
Okay. I'm still waiting for next week to touch the limit 8, which are not doesn't seems at the moment. It has a green tick rate at 233.70, but the R2 is on top. So once again, I'm not taking it. But you can take now, and let it push through the market one and push through the pushing through 2 times, and let it hit the R2 and sell immediately. It doesn't. See, that's why I didn't take it.
No, Ukraineski.
But maybe you will try for another push. Let's see how it goes.
Well, Keith isn't online.
Oh, I missed Amazon actually.
Keith is not online.
Wow. That's the power of R2, which is why I didn't take it. But taking the market one is a feasible one actually. It can give you small profit provided you're not greedy. Still playing safe, don't take it. Just I'll wait for it to touch the limit 8 or wait for next week to pass through the R2. Either way, it's the waiting game, and we still have 5 more minutes. Well, every time I say this, it feels like I'm trying to escape from this live room, which I'm not, unlike somebody.
Ukraineski is online.
Ukrainsky? What's Ukrainsky? Oh, you mean that president? The president? Is it live?
What?
Live? Really? Okay, the double entry 233.88 may cause next week to actually pass through the R2 strong.
It doesn't seem very.
I'm still not taking. Show me.
It doesn't seem very much like a president though.
He is a president and an actor.
But he doesn't feel like one.
Yeah,
You know?
that's why he's supposed to act as, so that he will let you feel that he's close to the people. You know, don't you want to be close to the people?
I mean, he got a chance, which is quite good. I felt like the Ukraine was thinking straight if he was a better person.
I think so too. Well, most of the time, we have a 233 for a 4-3.
No, if
1
he
minute.
elects, if he elects you, maybe you can win.
If what?
If they elect you, maybe you can win.
No, I will surrender. Yeah, I will surrender. I will not join NATO. That's one thing.
Why?
And I will not destroy my nuclear in the first place.
Why no join NATO?
Why should I join NATO? Russia is next to me. It's
Then
like
join Russia.
it's like Singapore is next to Malaysia, and we join United Cambodia Airlines.
Then join Russia. Join China.
I would rather let the. Okay, I have a credible source that actually introduced me for Tesla puts, but it's not. It doesn't have any setup to me yet, unless it can pass the 237.4 too. But I'm still not taking it. But a very good trader that I know of is actually taking a put at 279.4 for Tesla. If this 1 minute relax and become green, I may take it down for 237.3 if is a big word. Yeah. But Tesla has not been treating me well recently. Because of the stock speed. Most of my trade for Tesla end up with very small profit. It's supposed to have a bigger profit, but end up to be a small profit. So not as a good trade as last time. Instead, I've been finding good profit from Nvidia and Netflix recently. Okay, entry point for Tesla getting close in the next 5 seconds. Let's see if this bar can turn green. Okay, 276.3. I'm taking a small one actually. 0.3 by the way. We have the VWAP below us, so I may be taking the trade. If I take the trade for Tesla short, I will be taking the profit at the VWAP. Depends. Didn't trigger. Okay, let's see whether it can go down all the way. If not, I will be exiting pretty soon. My exit point will be 278.57. It's a very small trade, so I'm capping it to the VWAP. Let's see how it goes. Okay, my exit will be it turning green, 279.81. My stop loss. Let's see, it can pass through 279, breaking 279 if possible. If not, I will just end the trade. Well, I'm in profit by the way. Okay, that's good. That's a good job. Okay, ending here. Thank you guys. It can still go to the VWAP by the way, but I'm not going after that because it's actually 30 cents more. Going for very safe trade recently. Yep, hit the target. This will be my usual day exit. But doesn't cost much actually. It just a difference of, because I'm taking the 280 puts strike. So what I observe here is actually 20 cents more difference. Not much. Well, 30 cents now. That's a nice push through Tesla. But because it's a small trade and a cautious trade, so I like it this way. It makes me feel peace. Yep. And we are closing at we reached 10 o'clock. Your favorite time.
Wow.
Let's say goodbye to our viewers and our audience. Well, at least we show a last minute trade. Okay, how do we go into the trade just now? Let me elaborate again. One thing is we had a green tick rate red tick screen set up here, and it's also a recommendation by a seasoned trader that I know. And we have two trigger. One is the 1 minute at the 279.54, but it exactly at the perfect, so I'm not taking it. So I actually select at 279.3, which is here, and it gap down to, well, $1.40, but I actually sold around here when it's getting near the VWAP for a small profit. By the way, I should be ready to go for long later after closing this live long Tesla, because to me it's a good setup for long. Do you want to say goodbye to our audience?
Goodbye.
They can't hear you.
Goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye everybody. Have a nice trading day and enjoy